Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix Soundboard not appearing on Discord and how to use it. So let's get started. So the first thing that we are going to do is that we're going to ensure that Discord is closed. So we're going to go into Task Manager by clicking on the taskbar, right-clicking on it, and then clicking on Task Manager right here. And after that, we're going to go and locate Discord right here. And as you can see here, it is Discord, and you want to make sure that it is highlighted by clicking on it and then click on End Task so that we have made sure that Discord is now ended. It is not processing in the background anymore, so that we can proceed here in the search bar by going on Run right here, type Run, and you want to launch this app right there, and you want to type up data percentage up data, and you want to go and OK right there. And you want to locate Discord right here, and you want to delete this folder right here. So I'm not gonna delete this because it will waste so much time, and I don't want this video to get any longer, so that you could also get immediately to the answer. And after you have deleted this file right here, you want to go and uninstall right here, uninstall programs right here, add or remove programs right there. You want to go here in the settings, and you want to search for Discord right here, and from here you want to select this and you want to click on uninstall. So once you have uninstalled Discord, you want to close it, and we will now proceed to the browser right here. So what we're gonna do is that we're gonna download and install Discord again in discord.com, and you can download it by clicking right here. So as you can see, I have already downloaded it. So once you have downloaded it, you need to install it in your computer. So after you have installed it, you need to log in. And once you have logged in, let's now open our Discord app right here. You will be prompted right here. So let's just wait for a bit. Let's just wait. It is still loading. I think it is on right here. And now that we have logged in into the Discord app right here, what we're gonna do is that we are gonna check if we have the soundboard by going into the Discord server right here, in the Discord server of your choice, and you want to go into the voice channel right here. You want to join into the voice channel right here. And as you can see, I am now connected, voice connected, as it is indicated right here in the bottom left of my screen. And to use the soundboard, it is right here. So after doing the previous steps, you should have your soundboard right now. So what I want you to do is open the soundboard by clicking on it, and in here you can add the sound right here for your server. You can click on this one and you can add a sound right here. You can upload a file, an audio file, and you name your sound right here on the sound name, and you can also put an emoji on it if you would like. And of course the sound volume right here, if you'd want to adjust it, if it is too loud, then you can just adjust it right here. And after that, you want to go back, and after that you can go and select or click on Soundboard again, and it should appear right here on the server, under the server that you have added it. Because if you have a Discord Nitro, then you can use the soundboard or the sounds that you have uploaded in different servers in any server. But we don't have that, so it will be like this. We can only use the sounds that was uploaded in the server. And another tip, as you can see in the notice right here, hold V to use soundboard in a game overlay. So this is for the keybind, so you might want to edit this also right here. And you have the option right here to edit your keybind. It depends on what you want. You can set it to 4, maybe G, but for me, I will be using the letter V right here. And I want to hit on save just like that. And now I can go and launch the game, and when I press V, an overlay of soundboard will be popping up on my screen, and it would let me choose on what sound I would like to play. And you can do that by going here into the user settings, and you want to scroll down until you see game overlay, and make sure that this is enabled so that you can use the keybind you have set, and there will be an overlay in your game when you use that keybind, and you can use any sound when you are in the game. So that's basically it.
If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button so that you won't miss our future updates. Thank you for watching.